So the students who are in the online, am I audible? Right. So let us move to the next continuation discussion. So what was the discussion in the last session? Come on, quick. So filter function is a last class discussion. Very good. So go to the special functions. How many special functions are there in Python? 3 special functions are there. One is called what? Filter. One more is, and one more reduce. So last class we have done filter. Why do you use filter function? Why do you use filter function? That is my question. Separator. Did I say separate? Did I say separate? So you are adding your own, yes. Atish, very good. Atish, very good. So you need to use the keyword. So if you say separate the words, it's very dangerous. What I said, what you are adding your own spicy, it will become poison. Don't add your own spicy to that. So you add whatever I said, and whatever I said, no, whatever I gave from the PSF documentation, you need to repeat as this. To filter out, filtering out the elements, filter out the elements from list of numbers. This is what I said in the last session. So certain things you need to remember, and those technical words you need to understand by going for the program practice. So yesterday I told you some examples in the class. I gave some assignment also, and you have done it, I think so. Vinith, yes, perfect. So this is the what you need to say. Filter function is used for filtering out some list of elements by applying to the function. You need to say as it is. What we do as a student generally, we will say only few things and we will eat out something and we will say something. So it is not good. So you say complete. And explanation is that, and example also I already gave you. Okay. Now second function I am going to give you. Shall we start up? So next function I am going to start with what? Map function I am going to give you. It's also very easy. Look at that. So map function we are going to discuss. Fine. See students, my requirement is something like this. It's also one of the important requirement in data science level. These are all very, very important. So coming to the, suppose old salary list, old sal list is equal to something like 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 5 rupees, and something like 30 rupees, and then 40 rupees is the salary of 5 employees. And the company announced 2% hike to every employee. Now you tell me what I should do it. The company has announced 2% hike to every employee. What you will do, tell me. So I need to prepare what, ma? New list I need to prepare. New sal list I need to prepare. Prepare? Ma. 2% means what, ma? 2% means what? Come on, quickly. 10 plus, first element you take it, 10 plus 2, 10 into 2% means what? Into 2 by 100 or not? So this 0 and this one will go. And this is going to be what now? Come on. 10 point. Come on. 2. Right up. Next, how much next? Come on. What is next? 20 plus 20% means what? 2% means what? 20.4. 20.4. Next 30%. 30. What is the next? 30 point. 30 point. So not getting multiplication also problem. 30 plus 30 into what? So even 10 plus 10, this is called what, that is okay now. 10.2, is it okay? So coming to the 30% means what? 30 plus 30 into 20 by 100. That is nothing but what? 6 now. 6. How much is an answer now? So it is going to be 30.6. So like that, I will be getting some X salary here. In the program, I will show you X salary, Y salary, Z, K, L. Some different values will come or not. So this is old salary. Old salary list, want to get it into what? New salary list. So I'm going to convert old list into which list? New list, by writing some beautiful kind of condition. So old values, old list, old iterable objects are converted into what? New iterable object by applying to a function. Let us start. Come on, fast. Map function is used for obtaining new iterable object from what? Existing iterable object by applying come on, old iterable elements to the function. I will write the example and I will show you. Old iterable object. Map function is used for obtaining new iterable object from existing iterable object by applying old iterable elements to the function. In other words, some more places, sometimes you may come across like this. Map function is used for obtaining new list of elements. I can say new list of elements from where? Existing list of elements by applying old list elements to the function. In other words, I can write it. I will write here the word. In other words, I can say. Are you able to understand? So let us go to the syntaxes are here. Purpose I said. Syntax I am going to give you. What is the syntax, please? OBJ, that is nothing but what? Variable name is equal to, come on ma, map of, come on, function name, comma, iterable underscore object. Very simple. So this explanation I will give you for after 2 minutes. Let us go to the program. I will take this. Go to the program here, students. I say, come on. This is called what? Map example1.py. Okay. This is the old salary list. Can I get it into new salary list? Yeah, come on. Variable name, that is nothing but obj is equal to map of what is the function name? Hike is our function name, comma, what is this now? Old sal list. So I'm going to say old sal list. This is called what? Iterable object. Each value of old sal list sending to whom? Hike. So hike can be what? DEF. What is my function name? Hike. I say hike. What is the value coming? First value of old list. What is the first value of old list? Come on, 10. 10 is going to which function? What is the value of sal now? Very good. Come on. Sal is equal to sal plus sal into 2 by what? 100. 2 by 100. 2% I company decided to give. Understand, students? Yes, come on to the point of it. I say here, written what? Cell. Come on, every element is going there and then doing some operation and returning the cell. And every value of cell is going to put it in where? Obj. In our filter function returning what? True or what? False. In the case of filter, return true or false? Compulsory. In the case of a map function, the name itself says mapping. Old values are mapped to new values. So very, very simple. Return cell. The values of cell are present into where? Obj. Now I am going to print students. See, ma, type of Obj is equal to comma what? Type of Obj. What is the type of yesterday's class? Yesterday's class filter is returning an object of which class? Filter class. Today, what is the type of Obj? Very good. Map. Very good. So I'm going to give you the clarity. Class. What is the class type? Map class. Okay. So that map class elements, let us save it once. Let us save guys once. Fine. Let us go to the place of it. Go to the place of it. 4 p.m. and then say where special functions. You save it as what? Map example1 dot py. Coming to the command prompt, students, here I say e:. So KVR Python 4 p.m. say here special functions. Now say py. See that what is the type of that? Map. So map is a class object of that. So I will just bring it for your understanding whenever you see the notes. So I say here type of Obj is called what? Class map. So what I do, I can print Obj, but it is going to give you the memory address only. We can give what? Memory address. Okay. Memory address is going to come. Right. Now I will convert into what type now? New list elements I got it or not? New list elements I got. Modified list of elements I got it. So I have to convert into what? Simple number. See, online students, Anuj is saying very good. Shravani is saying, Atish, Senapati, everybody is saying. So say that what? New list, new cell list is equal to, come on, list of, come on ma, Obj. Very good. So I converted into what type? List of. Fine. Print what now? Print. Come on, print what? Old salary list is equal to dot format of, come on, old sal list. Okay. Next I will take one more called what? New salary list. I take it here what? New salary list. What is this now? New sal list. So try to follow me carefully. This is called main program. I am saying that main program. Yes, execute this. Save it. Yes, come out of that. I say py map example1. Type of Obj is equal to this one. Old salary list is called what? You know, see 10, 10.2, 20, 20.5, 5.1, 30, 30.6, 40, 40.8, 2% of everything. Are you understanding? Yes. Now here I wrote it. Sometimes you will come across, I wrote like this also. Sometimes I may use like this. Cell plus, I wrote it, if you remember, 2 by 100. That is nothing but what I can say. 0.02 I can say or not. So if you come to that in some of our mathematical expressions in data science also, of course you might be knowing it. So this is nothing but what? Sal plus this is. Sal plus na? This line, I wrote it. Just 1 minute ma. I just want to, I wrote something problem. Sal is equal to sal plus, I wrote like this, right or not? Sal into 0.02, which is equal to, sal is a common in both the places, 1 plus 0.02 or not? Mathematically, which is nothing but what? Sal into 1.02. I can write like this also. This point I can write, I want to tell you. I can write like this also. So here, this statement you will come across, I can write it directly. Shall into 1.2, I can write it. It is as good as similar to what? Shall is equal to shall plus shall into 0.02. 0.02. It is nothing but 2 by 100. Understand, students? Yeah. So execute now. Same output will be coming there also. Same output will be coming there also. I hope you are understanding that. So here, old list values, and this is called what? New list values are coming. Of course, which is going to be taken something like this. Okay. So 1.02. Yes. Perfect. 1.02. 1.02 unit, right? Not 1.2. So answer is like this. Understand? Fine. So this is related to Ganesh Verma. Wait. What I am explaining, you please fully involve in that. So what I am going to explain after a few minutes, if you concentrate now, I am not going to run behind of you. So I think morning student Ankit and you are friends, huh? Are you both of them are friends or what? Right. So coming to the point of it, this is by using what? Normal function. I can do the same thing by using what? Anonymous function also we can do it. Yesterday only I told you, you need not ask especially today, sir, can we do with anonymous functions? Why can't you do it? You can. So let us do this example remove. I say map example 2, coming to the point of it, main program. You come on to the point. Tell me, directly I can write it. Hike is equal to lambda, come on. Forget shall is equal to shall plus shall into 1.02. 1.02. Same thing. It is evaluated and then returned. Evaluated and returned. What function it is? Anonymous function. This is called anonymous function. Colon. Yeah, that is good. Colon, that is anonymous function. It is. So coming to the point of it, this is called a main program. Yesterday I told you how to read the salaries, how to read the values from the command keyboard. Did you remember? Yes. So let us save this code. See the output of this first of all. I can just take it, special functions. Let us save this code. And then here I convert into list. I can just convert into which type. Directly I can write it. This part I will take up and I will write here what? OBJ. I can write it. List of, map of, hike, comma, old shall list. Directly convert into which type? Right. I hope which is more clear for you. And execute this code and map example 2.py. So I got the output as same as previous. Understand, students? Fine. Next, if you get it into this picture, I'll go to this place. I will write it directly. Rather than writing a separate anonymous function, I can write directly inside itself. Can I? Come on, how do you write it? Lambda, come on, shall colon, shall into 1.02. That's it. No need to write any special case, and a simple way I can complete it. So execute this code, and 3.py. So 3.py. So coming across this 3.py here. So I will get the same answer like this. So I wrote it directly different ways by using which function? Normal function, by using separate anonymous function, by writing the anonymous function inside the map function itself. Understand? Fine. Shall I go for one more example? And the same program I would like to read dynamically. So which concept I have to use to read the values dynamically? List comprehension. What is the concept name? Tell me, I forget. I forget. Print of, enter, come on mom. Enter employee old salaries. Old salaries. Okay. Separated by what? What do you want? Separated by? Separated by? Yes, space. Separated by space. Okay. Separated by space. Okay. Next, tell me what should I do now? Square brackets. Int of or float of. I will go for float also, no problem. Float of sal for sal in input of dot split. In this statement, which one is executing first? In this statement, in the big statement, which one is taking first? Input dot split. That will read and put it into where? That is converted into which type? Originally, what is the type of sal? STR. Converted into which type? Put it into where? Old salary. Beautiful. And you are giving the hike for how much percentage? 2%. 2% of hike. Sal into 1.2. I am getting the new salary list. Old sal plus what? New salary, I am getting it. Okay. This is called fourth.py. Map 4.py. So let us go to that. Execute this. 3 or 4 are there? It is 3 only. I just modified there only. Okay, students. See now. So 3.py. Asking enter the salaries. I say 12.3. I say 4.5. I say just a 6. I say 7. I say 10.5. I say 4.5. Like this. So I'm having what? Old salary list. 12.3. This is my given data. So 2.2 like this I am getting it. So if you want to restrict it to that, 2 digits itself I can restrict. I can restrict it to what? 2 things itself I can go for restricting it. I can restrict it to these things. How that time, how can I go for it? You need to print the elements separately. You need to print the elements separately. So how can I print the elements separately, ma? New salary list. You can happily say new salary list. You can say like this. How I can say? For new sal in where? New sal list. New sal list. Come on, print. Print \t dot format of new format of, I can say round of new sal comma 2. We get out, understand? Format. What is actually format? New cell. Today I am using which function? Which value? Rounding to how many digits? 2 digits. I can use happily percentage 0.2 F I can use. But I am doing what today? Rounding. Rounding to how many? 3 digits I want, 2 digits I want. It's up to my choice. Okay. Now I will go for it. I will go for it. New salary list, if you want, I can print new salary also. New salary also you can go for it. How do you print the new salary list? If you want, I can go for new salary list. So I don't want to write this thing. I don't want to write like this. I say like this. See students, what is the salary, ma'am? Old salary list. I say old salary list. And old salary list I am entering from the keyboard. You need not to go for rounding at all. Is it necessary to round? Old sal I can say. Are you okay? Okay. Go. Execute. Now see what happens. Okay. So says one more thing. Okay, students. Execute. This is my data. It is my data printed. What is it? Something is coming from Russia or what? So, coming to the point back, it is. So, old salary list and then what? New salary list. So, it is coming one by one. I want one after adjacent to each other. Can I print? How do you print? You know that. Online students will answer my question. I want to print one adjacent to each other. No, Anuj, listen my question, ma. I want the output like this. How I want, see, old salary list, new salary list. I will take something like a heading. I want this decorative part, 10, 10.2, 10, 10.1, 20, 20.2, like this. I just want to go for old salary, new salary, like that. You already know this. I hope you might be knowing that. Anybody else? Come on. Good. So not able to say. Okay, no problem. I will say. Charan, thank you. Wish you the same. Right. Now I'm going for understand. Maybe I discussed or not, I don't know. I discussed or not, I don't know, but I'll show you that. Old salary, backslash T. What is the next? New salary, new salary, new salary. Okay. What I'm doing is, did I explain zip for you, zip function? No? Even if I explain, you will not say. Okay. No, sir. Okay, students, no problem. Now let us see. Let us see. Come on. Here, names is equal to, I will take Ganesh V, Ganesh Verma. Is my favorite student every day. Next is called what, Rosam. Come on, next I will take it as something like a Richie. So Richie, these are called three people are available. And marks is equal to something like Ganesh. How many marks you will get? Generally, I don't know. How many marks you will get it? Quickly. Hari Krishna. Okay. Ganesh, I am asking to Ganesh. Tell me quickly. I am waiting for you. So not giving. So 88, okay. 88 he did not give. Somebody is saying. Future Rosam is 74. Okay. 74 is giving 74. Rosam got 33 marks. Richie got 22 marks. Right. So finally, I want to print like how you know. I want to print how you know. I want to print one side names. One side what you know, my students marks. I want to print like this. That means I want to combine both the lists. Both of them are called lists or not? I want to club both of them into single object. Simple, ma. You have a water bottle, you have books, you have mobile, everything. Will you put it in bag and zip it or not? Like that. There is an object called, there is a function called zip, which takes what? Names, comma, what? Marks, which are having equal in length. Equal in length. You will get it out, sir. Unequal lengths, what will happen? I will show you that also. Okay. Now, I will take it as Z. So it is zipped. Put it into a single format. Okay. Print of Z, type of Z. So Z is called what? Object of which class? Zip class. So memory address is printed. Now I need to retrieve the data. How many entries are there in Z? 2 entries are there. One is which entry? And the next is what? Come on. For name, comma, n, comma, m. N, comma, m in Z. Z is containing how many entries? Names entries are there, marks entries are there. First entry is going to contain name entry. So Ganesh is there in N and 74 is there in M. I want to print it. How do you print it, my dear students? Print of, I say here, backslash T, I say here, format of N, comma, what? M. So it is going to print names, marks, like that it will print. Understand? So from now onwards, if I want to print them in anywhere else like this, I will go for keeping them into one single object. Which function I am using? Zip function I am using. Okay. Your doubt is, sir, I am having one more name called Gosling, something like this I am having. But whose marks I did not record, ma. This is a 4 persons are there, but marks are still only 3 people's marks I took it. Zip it and then written and then printing. You will get equal length marks only. You will get it. Actually, Gosling is also there. Gosling is not coming here. Only equal length only will be considering. Which function is considering? Zip function will consider. Did you understand? Now come on to our program. Today I will go for what? Old salary and so zipping is easy or difficult? Easy. Now tell me now. For directly OS comma old salary, old comma new. Old comma what? New. In zip of directly I will write it. Come on students. Old sal list comma new sal list. New sal list. Okay. So instead of keeping them in the object directly, I am using it. Can I use it? Yes. So print of what is this now? Say backslash t. Okay, backslash t. What is this now? Backslash t. Dot format of what? Old comma what? New. Simple. Execute this code. Execute this code. Go to the place of this. I say, enter this part of it. I got it. Old salary list, and then I got what? New salary list. So here I was trapped like this. Here also I need to do or not? Yes. How do you do it? Go to your program, new salary list. Say what? Round off new comma 2. Round off new comma 2. What a beautiful language it is. So enter the salaries. I say one more value. I say one more value. I say 10 here. So I got the result. Old salary list and new salary list. I got it. I got this kind of hikes. Understand? Fine. So if many number of samples are there, to convert one list into another list, I can happily go for what? This type of mapping. Did you understand the importance of mapping? And the zip function is very easy. We are using in a funny mode here, and the map function is main important thing here. Understand? Shall we write one more? Come on, go back to the concept once. Tell me, what is this variable name? Variable name, I will take it. Here variable name, I will take it here, ma. I will take it. Look at variable name is an object of which type? Map type. Map type. And we can convert any iterable object into we can convert into any other iterable object by using which techniques? So we apply typecasting technique here. Very good. Now I want to write it. Function name. See, my dear students, function name can be either normal function or what? Anonymous function. Function name can be either normal function or anonymous function. Excellent. Next, iterable object is what? Either list or set or dict, whatever it is. Now I am writing. What is the next one? You see, what is the next policy here? I am saying the execution process of filter function. Now I am writing here also. The execution process of, now I am writing. The execution process of map function is that map function applies every element of what? Iterable object to the specified function. Specified function. Apply means what? Map function send. Map function sends every element of iterable object to where? To the specified function. Process it and returns the result. Returns the modified value. In the bracket what? Result. Understanding that? and new list will be prepared. New list of elements will be prepared. New list of elements will be obtained. New list of elements will be obtained. This process will be continued. Come on. This process will be continued. Last class also I wrote will be continued until all elements of which object is over? Iterable object. All elements of iterable object. See students, iterable object. All elements of iterable object completed. See the filter function once. Filter function. Each value of iterable objects sends to whom? Function name. If the function returns to true, element will be filtered. If the function returns false, that element will be neglected. This process will be continued until all elements of iterable object are completed. Same thing here also we set. The execution process of map function is that it sends, that is the map function sends every element of iterable object to the specified function. The function will do what? Process it and returns the modified value to the new list of elements. Modified values. Returns the modified value and obtains and list of elements, and a new list of elements will be obtained. Okay, very good. This process will be continued until all elements are completed. Understand? So here you see how we return it. Say this now. Here I am writing. Come on students. List of map of, come on ma, lambda cell colon cell into 1.02 comma, what is this now? Old cell list. Understand? So old cell list values are sending to whom? Cell. That cell will be processed and that value will be returned automatically and a new list of elements obtained or not. This will be continued until all elements of old salary list is completed. Everything what we observed it, we are getting into the conceptual form. Students in online, did you understand this concept, ma? Did you understand this concept? Right. Very good. Now open the notes. Open your notes. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept So Manjula is asking one question. Sir, take a square of the number. Square of the numbers is asking. This example only I will take it. Okay. Write a Python program which will accept list of elements. Which will accept a list of elements and obtains their squares. Now I am going to give you that logic. Shall we start? Yeah. Look at students, how simple it is. Now I will go to this. Tell me, my students, map example 4.py. Come on, ma. Print of enter list of elements. Enter list of what, ma? Elements separated by space. Okay, very good. And now tell me what I am taking. LST is equal to, now I am writing, come on, what I am taking, float of val. I forget. Come on quickly. For val in input of dot split off. What is the symbol? list. Are you following? This is called which concept? List comprehension we can call. Which comprehension? Yes. Be careful, students. Now I got the list of elements. So you can happily understand. What is that? Given elements. There is a original elements. I can say original elements. Or if you wait for some time, I will apply what? Zip function I will apply. Original elements one side and square elements one side. Okay, na? Tell me now. Quickly. If you look at like that, I can't do anything. Square list. SQ list is equal to. Come on. Tuple of. Map of. Lambda. Value. Colon. Value. Colon. Star star 2. What? Understand? So when sir write, yes sir, I understand. When I ask, yes ma'am. When sir write, yes sir, I also want to say, but you only wrote it. So understand? Right. You need to get spontaneously this doubt. Students, did you got it? Yeah, comma. Come on. LST. Two opening brackets and this done. Now I need to zip it or not? I got SQ list ready. So print, if you want to print, you can print it. What is that? LST, comma. You see, just sample list. SQ list. Just print it and later I will format it. Execute format map example 4.py. Go to this place. Yes, py. Say this now. Enter that 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, something like 9 and then 12. Like this, you see. I got it. Understand? 3 square is 9. 4 square is called 16. 5 square is called 25. 1 square is called 1. 2 square is called 4. 8 square is called this one. 12 square is called 144. This is called symbol, you see. Which one it is? Tuple. This is called what? List. Okay. Now, I will go for, come on, print. What is this now? Given number, \t. What is that? Square of that number. Okay. Come on to the point back. So somebody will ask you this type of questions. So take care of that. Any requirement is coming, you can do in a simple manner, not a difficult at all. Don't feel it. Come on. For n comma square n comma square. In where? Zip of yes, LST comma SQ list. Okay. Come on fast. \t. Okay. \t. Dot format of n comma SQ. N comma what? SQ. Beautiful. Save this code. Map example 4.py. Okay. Execute it, students. Now say enter the elements. So got it like this. Given number, square. Somebody will ask you tomorrow, cube also. Will you print cube also? How do you write cube? Cube I want to write it. Cube list this is. So cube list this is. So I will take it as what, CS, cube list, C list is equal to, what should I say, ma? 3. So I forget what is this star. I forget this. Exponentiation. Spell out once. Right. Kumar Babu, don't say expo. Whenever I use any shortcut, you will take that shortcut only. Don't take the exponentiation. Right. So don't take it as the expo. Because if they will ask who is your faculty. So they will call me, sir, have you invented anything new on expo? Exponentiation, that is. So please take the long process. Come on, next, what is this now? Come on, ma. C list. Okay. I will take what now? C I will take or not? Okay. Given number plus square and next is what? Come on, ma. Cube. I say comma what? C. I say here backslash T of like this. Understand, students? Yes, ma. Line number. Okay. Backslash T. Okay. Very good. Backslash T. Nice. Execute. Now go to the place of this. Enter the numbers. So you will get it. Cube roots also I am getting or not? So 3. All the things are coming. Easy or difficult? Huh? Easy. Already I told one program to you. This type of number. Write a program for finding sum of squares of natural numbers, squares, cubes, that type of example I told you. Did you remember that? I told already in the class. So to find out those kind of thing, I can easily apply anonymous function. I can write for what? Sum of this result also I can write it. How I will write it? Directly I can find the result itself. I can find the result itself. Sum of those number. I will pass LST. I will pass CQLST. I will pass this sum of I will find out. Right? So not getting formula. Nothing is there. Value square is called what? Square. Value cube is called cube. Right? So coming to the point of it, I hope you are understanding this mechanism. Understand, students? Fine. Shall we go for further? Yes. Write down one more program. Write a Python program. Which function I applied? Just to look at which function I applied? Map function. For converting the old list values into another type of list or not? Mapping from one list to square list and then what? Cubes list. Convert. One more. Write a Python program which will accept a list of values. Which will accept a list of values. Which will accept a list of values and find their square roots. Find their square roots. Find their square roots by using map function. By using map function. By using what function? Map function. Okay? Right. Tell me now. How do you do it? I'm not going to say you only do the assignment. What is that? Single line, you tell me how to do the square root of list is coming. You need to prepare the square root list. You need to prepare. This is square list. You need to prepare. SQRT list you need to prepare. SQRT list you need to prepare. Yes. Saujanya. Sania. Very good, ma. Sai Sania. Very good. So you need to write it. You need to write it. SQRT list is equal to, you need to say list of, map of, come on fast, map of lambda, something like val is equal, val colon, val into 0.5. 0.5 star 0.5 star 0.5. Square root means square root of 2. 2 to the power of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.05. This will be repeated for all the elements. So I gave the hint also for you. You can do it. Okay, na? Good. So next I want to go for one more example. So I want to use a combined together filter plus map. I want to use it. First of all, I will dictate the question and you apply. So can you do that example what I said as a homework? Yes, do that. Next. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept a list of values, which will accept a list of values, and find the squares of positive list of elements, positive and negative list of elements separately. Positive and negative list of elements separately. positive and a negative list of elements separately. Positive and a negative list of elements separately. So what is available with us? List of values are there with to segregate what first? Filter out what elements? Positive elements. Next, filter out what? Negative elements. Positive elements square, negative elements square, you need to do it. And just testing you whether you are able to combine both of them or not. Shall we do this? So first of all, question is clear, students? Is the question is clear? Yes. Let us go to this part as the students. First of all, observe this case. I will take the number. I will take this example. So map example 5. Map example 5.py. Enter list of elements separated by space. So it is up to you want to take integer or float, or it is up to you. You can take it. Okay. Given elements. So I can say that given elements, I will take it. Understand, students? Fine. Next, I will do what? Get the positive elements. For those positive elements, what should I do? Square. Okay. So I am writing a big story. Positive SQ list is equal to positive square list is equal to start list of a biggest story. I will write it. Map of what I want on that map. That map want what? What I want? Lambda LAMBDA. What is that? N colon N star 2 comma. What I want as the place where is my cursor is waiting? Positive list of elements need to available or not? Here what is the object required? Iterable object required or not? There I will write it list of filter of lambda something like val colon val greater than 0 comma what? LST. Beautiful. Finished. Understand? So starts from where? First starts from where? This place. First it will be finished. Each value of LST sending to whom? What is prepared? Greater than 0. Because of greater than 0, what is supplied because of that? What is supplied because of that? Positive list of elements will be supplied. So I can say one more close bracket. I hope you are understanding, students. Right? Understanding, students? This is a two clauses. One clause is for this one, another clause is for this one. Beautiful. So this will give you which elements? Positive list of elements supplied to what? N. That positive elements to the power of 2. I will get the positive list. Understand? Come on. What is the next one? Negative square list. Negative SQ list is equal to, come on, mom. List of tuple of, whatever you like it. List or tuple of, whatever you like it. You want a tuple? Okay, go. Tuple of map of lambda n colon n star 2. Okay. Tuple of filter of lambda n less than what? 0. I can use any formal parameter. Comma what? LST. Finished. Good. So I will take what now? I will take what now? I need to print the result or not? Yes, I need to print the result. So positive list and then negative list elements, I need to print it. So first of all, I need to take this list elements, positive list element, negative list elements I have. So let us print first term. I will say original list is equal to, I say dot format of LST. So it is going to be called what? \n. Now I will take it as what next term? What list I want? Positive list. Positive. Which list? Square list. Of what list this is? POSS as a Q list LIST. Next I will take it what students? Negative square list. Negative square list is equal to what, ma? Negative NEG negative square list. Finished. Any brackets opening closing is there in the error part, we will catch it. Okay students, anything problem, ma? Line number 6. Okay. Filter off. Okay. Filter off. Okay. Very good. So go to the PY. Yes, so see that list of elements. I say 2, 3, 5, 1, or I say 2, minus 3, 4, minus 5, 6, minus 11, next 2, minus 7, minus 8, minus 11, 4. So I got it. 2. I got this one. What I got it? 2, 4, minus 3, 4, minus 15, 6, minus 11, 2, minus 7, minus 8, minus 11, 4, like that. Now I will go for what? 0 also I will enter. 0 also. Same output. 0 will not be considered at all, because my condition is greater than 0 and less than 0. Is equal to 0 is not there. Understand, ma? Yeah. Shall I move forward? Yes. Let's go to this, because this is a very, very important in our programming of data science. So map function, reduce function, how careful and how easy it is, we cannot imagine it. Understand, ma? Yes. So like this, you can segregate the things and you can do the operations on the segregated elements. Shall I give one important assignment? Write down. Write a Python program. Ganesh, sir, please tell the formula of square root again using map, sir. Ganesh, where are you, ma? Formula for square root is what? All of you tell me first. If my number is n, what is the square root? N star 0.2. Previous example only I am saying, ma. Ganesh, I am saying previous example only. This example only I am saying. This one you are asking, square root you are asking. That is what a homework example you are asking. That element you see. See, such a small things, if you ask me, I have to explain for you only. List of, I already told you, lambda, map function I will use it. Lambda, n colon, n star 0.5. 0.5 I already told you in the class. That time you are there or not, I don't know. So n to the power of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but n to the power of 0.5, which is equal to n into star 0.5. That time I explained you cube root, fourth root, nth root, and explained or not. So Ganesh, please remember, ma. Please read your notes. Is it understandable, Ganesh? Ganesh. Homework exam. Write down. Fine. There, because of his homework exam means I got mind blank. I blanked it. What is that? Write a Python program. Okay. Which will accept? List of employee, list of list of employee salaries, list of employee salaries which contains salaries ranges from, which contains list of salaries ranges from 1 to 20,000. 1 to 20,000. 20,000 above. If you want, you can take 1 to 10,000, 10,000 above, 20,000, 20,000 above, whatever you like it. Okay, now? Right. Full stop. Give 20% hike. Give 20% hike. Give 20% hike for those employees whose salary is greater than or equal to 10,000. Whose salary is greater than or equal to 10,000. Whose salary greater than or equal to 10,000. You have what? List of salaries are there. 5,000, 6,000, 10,000, 10,000, 11,000, 14,000, 20,000, like that. More than or equal to 10,000. What is the percentage of hike? 20%. So you will prepare a new list of salaries who are getting more than 10,000. Okay, continuation. Give 25% hike. Give 25% hike for those employees whose salary less than 10,000. Less than 10,000. So don't ask me, I have 10,000. Already I said greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to 10,000. 10,000 also covered what? 20% hike. 25% is for what? Less than 10,000. So how many salaries will be there? List of salaries are there. 10,000 salary, 20 more than 10,000 and less than 10,000. Okay, na? So this one you need to do it. This one you need to take care of it. Right? So how do you filter it? First filtering is required or not? Later you do what? Mapping is required. So already you know from that place. So students, did you understand that and will you do it? Did you understand and will you do it? Yes. So you can do it. So you will do it. Fine. So coming to the point of it, you need to do it. So this is called what functions? Map function. Can we go for reduce function? Yeah. Let us go to the reduce function. Let me save this map function. Let us save this map function once. Yes. Important, guys. Now I will go to all these things. We understand this part. Now I am going for which function I am going for? Reduce function I am going for. It is also important. The name itself says reduce function. Filter function purpose is what? Filtering out some elements. Filtering out the elements of list, iterable object by applying to the function. Map function is used for obtaining the new list from existing list of elements by applying to the function. Inside the function, what are you writing? Mapping logic you are writing. 20% mapping, 5% mapping, square mapping, square root mapping, what mapping you want, you are writing there. Understand? Something like that. You are going to use the word called reduce. What is the meaning of reduce? So, okay. So, instead of saying the word called decreasing, of course, decreasing means that is different meaning will come. Of course, as far as a normal English is concerned, okay. Reduce meaning is a big quantity coming to the smaller quantity. You may say, sir, that is also called decrease. No, that is not decrease. Suppose 100 is there. 100 decreases to 1. That is the meaning of decreases. I have 20 values. I will add 20 values. I will get one number or not. That is called reduce. That is called. Now, see students, This is the greatest question in interview point of view. It is the greatest question in interview point of view. Let us coming to the point back. Here I am having LST is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 like this. I have list, I say list LST here. I got it. Okay, students, fine. Now I'm going to say print of, understand me, sum of what? LST. What I'm doing there? We simply says that adding all the elements and we got the simple element called 280. How it is doing, you tell me? How sum function is doing? Sum function internally, how it is working? By calling one beautiful function called a reduce function. How sum function is calling? That is actually, it is a different internal flow. I will explain. Sum is coming 280. You are enjoying that. You are enjoying that. It is a very happy. How we are getting that sum is equal to 280? Any internal logic is using? The sum function is internally calling one function called reduce function. How reduce function is internally working, I want to explain. Shall I go to that? Yes, sir, go. Let us go to that. Now I am going to give you one PowerPoint, one presentation part I will explain. One presentation I will explain. What is my list of students? I will take it. I am saying 1 minute. I will give these elements in the form of like this. Okay. Now I am taking internal flow of which function? Reduce function. Internal flow of reduce function I am going to explain. Students, careful ma, I am going to explain because compulsory question they will ask you. What is the question? When I call list of sum of list, how it is giving that value 280 or something? You can say first value added to second value added to third value, that even a kid can say. But how it is internally working with more technical flow, you need to say. So internally, which function is applicable? Which function is applying? Reduce function is applying. That internal flow of reduce function, I just want to explain you. So let us start the reduce function, how it is working. Let me start, students. This is my list. Once a list is given, I will represent the list of elements like this. Come on, students. I will take some boxes. Try to enjoy this and try to explain me in this way. So coming to this, I will take these elements here. How many boxes I will take? 7 elements I will take it. I am explaining the internal flow, students. 7 over 6. One more element I will take it. Take the elements like this. When interviewer compulsory will ask this question, no doubt in that. 20. Next 30. Next 40. Next 40. Next 50. Next 50. Next 60. Like that I will go on taking. Next 50. Next 60. Next 70. This is my element. These are my elements. Done. So once this list of elements are given, do you know internally what PVM will do? What reduce function will do? Reduce function beginning supplies 2 values. First time it supplies 2 values that are stored in 2 variables called X and Y. First time there are 3 steps I will tell you. Reduce function supplies 2 values of LST stored in 2 variables. What are the 2 variables? X and Y. What is our operation today? Sum. Add those 2 things. See, my dear students, add both of them. Okay. Adding both of them. What is the result, please? 30. Okay. To do the next operation, how many values it require again? 2 values required. What are the 2 values you need? 30 and next 30. First 2 values taken, na? Result is how much? What is an operation you are applying, ma? Plus Sum you are applying, right? Correct. Sum you are applying, plus operator you are applying. Yeah, plus operator you are applying. Very good. Okay, 30, I got it. What is the next succeeding element? Next time, what is the next iteration? What is the next element? 30 plus previous result or not? Right, 30. First 30, result kept into where? First variable called what? Next succeeding element is called what? This y is going to be pointing to whom? Y. Understand? First time, reduce function supplies how many values? Stored in two variables. First variable x, second variable y. Apply the operation. X into y, x star y, x by y, whatever it is. X into x plus y. What is the result? 30. What is the 30? Result. Put the result in where? First variable. Select the next succeeding element and put it into second variable. What is the next succeeding element? Quickly. Next succeeding element. 30. Kept in where? Beautiful. Repeat the operation again, please. Repeat the operation. What is an operation, ma? Yes, very good. 60 plus 60. Now you apply. Next time I am not telling. Next time I am not telling. What is the result, please? 60. Where 60 will be kept in? Very good. Very good. Simply good. Simply good. X. What is the next succeeding element? Where it kept in? Good. This process will be repeated until all elements are over. This process will be repeated until all elements are over. Okay, students, come on, apply now. Apply now. What elements I have to apply? X and Y. What is the result, please? What is the result, please? Yes, 100. So it is going to contain what? 100. So it is going to contain 100. What is the result here? Plus. Plus. Okay. What is the result here? Here. X. Come on, next, please. I will apply what next? This part. What is the next succeeding element? 50. 50 kept in where? Good. Come on, apply the plus operator, please. Plus operator, please. What is the result? 150. 150. This is called 150. Who is pointing to this 150? Very good. 150 pointed by X. What is the next element, please? Next succeeding element is 60. This is pointing to what? Y. Come on here. I say this part plus this part is added. What is the result, please? Yes. 210. 210. 210. 210 is present in where? Placed in where? Very good. 270. Okay. What is the value placed here? X. Now, what is the next value of next succeeding element? Okay, ma. Okay. 210. Good, good. So 210 this is. Okay. So 210. Okay. 210. Next succeeding element, please. 70. 70 is pointed by what? Y. Come on, apply next, please. 270. 210 plus what? 70. Do you have, next, what is the result, please? 280. Where is the result is present in? X. Come on, say. X. The result is present into where? X. Do you have any more succeeding element? No. This is pointed by what? X. No more elements are there. What is this reduce function will do? Returns. Return what value? X. Which is nothing but what the result is coming? 280. This is the scenario of reduce function. Easy or difficult? Easy. Easy. Come on. Now I will write a code here. Beautiful code I will write right side. Beautiful code. Whatever I explained through diagram, I will write it with the coding part. Shall I write the coding part? Yes, sir. Come on, sir. Look at, I say here, res is equal to, okay, ma, 1 minute. I'll just try to take some little space. Yes. I'll take some little space. Yes. Come on here. RES is equal to, tell me, reduce of function name comma list, function name comma iterable object. What is the function name? Lambda. Say lambda x comma y colon x plus y comma LST. How beautiful it is. Sir, it is beautiful for you, but we don't understand, sir. Understand or not? Yes, you will understand, I know. Come on, students. Students, did you understand? Yes. Start. First, what I told you, from the reduce function, will select how many elements from LST? 2. What are the 2 elements? First, x and y now, 10 and 20. 10 and 20. Put it in where? X and y. What is the result? This is called 30. 30 will be kept in where again? X. Next succeeding element kept in where? Beautiful. What is the next value? 30 plus 30. 60 kept in where? Next succeeding element. Y. What is the value of this? Like that. This will be repeated until. First step, what is happening? First step, reduce function will select 2 elements from LST. Put it in where? First time 2 elements will select. Okay. Processed. Result kept in where? X. Next is what? Next succeeding element of LST kept in where? Operation. Result kept in where? Next succeeding element of LST kept in where? Repeat the operation until what? All elements are over. Finally, when all elements are over, return what? X. Return what? X. X is nothing but result is coming or not? Very good. First time, my dear students, look at that. Here, I can say print type of RES. Type of RES is what? When filter function returns, what is the type? Filter. Map function reduces what? Map function returns object of what? Map. Reduce function returns what? Reduce. Right? Wrong answer that is. So it returns a single value. Single value is nothing but what? It is the fundamental type it is going to return. Fundamental type. Why fundamental types are single value? Who will store single values? Int, float, complex, bool. At max it is called what? STR. At max it is what? STR. Yes, bytes, byte array, range, these are all contain different values or not? So what our reduce function returns only one value or not? Who will store one value? I told already, fundamental data types are used to store single value. Remember all my points, okay? So it is not going to be as people expect it. It is going to be called what? Reduce type or something. No, it is wrong answer. It is going to return fundamental type only. Maybe int, float, complex, bool. At max STR will come. Not other kind of values will come. Understanding this? Moreover, reduce function. First time you are hearing in my class. Beginning demo sessions, if you remember. Calendar function. Did you remember? Calendar dot. What is that now? Month. Did you remember, student? What is the calendar? Okay, demo class you leave it. Simple facility I explained now. Simple beginning days. That also you leave it. I will show you when you don't leave, when I leave it everything, what is the base for me then? So features of Python. There are not there are here. So it was there in my home mission, I hope so. So features are there, history, literals, I hope history, literals. There is one topic called what ma? Features of Python. Features of Python is there. In that simple feature is there. Simple. In that, what is the first point of simple? It's very difficult. Teaching is very difficult. Yeah, see, online students are saying libraries. Libraries. So it is a library. There is nothing but APIs. Anuj, very good. API. API is a collection of what? Modules. What is the module? Variables, functions, and classes. Said in the beginning. C math, math, calendar, random, like that. So whenever you forget, to make you to remember, I have to struggle a lot. Because teaching is one of the highest risky job actually. Fine. Repeat. Last homework questions are okay. Fine. So coming to the point back, next, that APIs, today I will go to the point. Reduce function is there. That reduce function, today what I am trying to tell you is, this reduce function, that reduce function belongs to, reduce function belongs to a predefined module. Reduce function belongs to or present in what? One module is there that is known as the present in predefined module. Predefined module called what is that? FUNC tools. What is that now? FUNC tools stands for function tools. Now immediately we'll get a doubt, sir. You are using map function, you are using filter function. So far we used a lot of functions, but not even one time you said about the module. They are by default present into one predefined default module is there. There is a predefined default module is there. Predefined default module, which is by default present in everything. That is called BUILTINS. Built-ins is itself is the module name. How can I make you to understand in C language? You tell me. What is that header file you are using daily? stdio.h. You are including now. Actually, it is not necessary to include. That is a default header file in C language. In Java, there are a lot of packages are there. There is one default package is there, java.lang. Like that in Python, there is one default module is there. What is the default module name? Built-ins. That's why I'm not importing built-ins module. By default, it is imported. But today, what is the module name you need? Function tools you need. Function tools is. So, coming to the point. Oh, yo. So, by mistake, I was hit. So, FUNC tools is the predefined module. What is my function is present? So, reduce function present in which function? FUNC tools module. FUNC tools. So I have to import this module. Compulsory I have to import. So when I am using reduce function, compulsory I have to use what? FUNC tools module I have to import it. Shall I show you this program once? And let us see quickly. This explanation I will give in tomorrow class. I will just show you the program quickly. That program also I will post tomorrow. Today you just see the example. That's it. Go to that. I take it. You take some list of elements. You take it, guys. Okay. Now I say res is equal to, what is the function name? Reduce of lambda x comma y colon x plus y. X plus y. X plus y. Print what? Sum is equal to comma what? Res. Sum is equal to plus res. Now I am taking reduce example 1 dot what? Py. Some other example in next class I will show you. Okay. Then say out of that, say error will come now, students. Error will come. Py Reduce example 1. Reduce function is not found, you will get it. See that, enter the elements. Now you see, I will get it. Anything you enter 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. See that error is coming. Reduce is not defined, name error is coming. What is the reduce? Predefined function. Belongs to which module? First time you are hearing in my class called which function? Reduce. What is import? There are totally 7 syntaxes are there. Next concept is modules only we are entering. Okay, I imported FUNC tools. FUNC tools. FUNC tools is called what? Module name. I have to call my function with respect to what? FUNC tools dot what? Reduce. Okay. See now, students, enter the elements, got the output. What is it? Yes. Very good. I need to pass the list. Without list, how can you do that? So I got the result of 280. Understand or not? Yes. What is the type of that RES? Print what? Type of what? Type of RES is equal to comma what? Type of what? RES. Okay. See that RES is what? Int type. Not reduce type, map type, filter type. Understand, students? Yes. This is the way how you can do the reduce. Internal flow is very, very important. This internal flow diagram, even I can explain in tomorrow class. With some other example, I can explain. Okay, na? So I will stop the class. Tomorrow class, when I come back, I will go for explaining the further continuation part of these things. So students in the online, is it understandable? Is this flow is understandable, students? Reduce function. Very good. Good. Fine, students. Good. So I'll stop it. Tomorrow class, we'll go for what? Continuation example, I will tell you. Don't miss it tomorrow class. Good day.